It's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Take control of any situation. With an impressive amount of different seating and storage combinations, you can carry kids, dogs, groceries, luggage, nearly anything you can think of. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Remote engine start, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and power heated mirrors. New car test drive Rice, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At Alma Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, we treat you like family. We're conveniently located at 2280 West Monroe Road in Alma.